Honey, did you see this at Dollar Tree? This is the super glazed paint. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I'm like, is this, the hardware store? They do have a hardware section in here. But look at this ultra thick tinted finish. And this is glossy epoxy. All right. Turquoise. This is the only color that I pretty much see right now. Oh my goodness, this is cray cray. I dare you to say that I don't deliver. I dare you to say that. Okay, honey, have you guys seen? Now, this is a new item. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Bronzer. Look at this. This is the Sunset Glow, okay? Buildable Sun Kiss Glow. $1.25. Wow, honey, it's giving Ulta, okay, on a budget. You get what I'm saying? That's what it's doing for me. What about you? I love it. This is how I feel when I find something, okay? When I find something, I'm like, oh my goodness. Did you guys see the hot honey? Now, the word around Dollar Tree streets is this is official. Okay, now I don't have my EBT card, so I could purchase this, but nonetheless, okay, next time maybe I bring it and I get this. This is the hot honey sweet with heat, $1.25. But they don't only have this one, they have a few of them that's gonna have you move your feet to the beat. Check this out. So they also have the 100% pure honey or natural US grade A. I absolutely love the bottles that these come in. These are so fancy for $1.25. Hello. Listen, my loves. Listen. Wow, we gonna go through this thing. 1, 2, 3. We at the Dollar Tree. We moving our feet to the beat. Let's go. All right, so all new at Dollar Tree. Now, some of these you guys may have seen, but honey, it's the selection for me. It's the choice. You get what I'm saying? So they have the men's boxers over here, the Airheads, the Popeyes. They also have these. This don't really have a name like that. They also have the Blow Pops over here, the Tootsie Rolls. Look at this, the Tootsie Pops. I absolutely love this. And you know what's so cool about this is these boxes, they also have socks that can absolutely go with these boxes. You get what I'm saying? Like the Blow Pops. Now, I don't know if a man is going to be wearing Blow Pop socks, but if you do, that is okay. These are absolutely amazing. Love this. Dollar Tree, you doing your thing. So the 1s and 2s. New at Dollar Tree this week is the Snuggle Do socks, the adult socks. These are gorgeous. Absolutely love these. And these are $1.25. And then they also have different designs. These are really cute. My fave is definitely the colorful ones, bright. Oh, it's so bright. Now, if you guys are looking to get your winter items out the way, Dollar Tree right now, they have gloves over here. These are $1.50. These are the children's gloves. They also have the earmuffs. Oh, I like these. Really cute. They come in different colors. They have the pink. They also have the blue ones over here. And honey, never mind me. I just came from my walk, okay? My morning walk, all right? They also have these gray ones over here. Fancy Pantsy Mancy. Absolutely love this. Another hot item is these Disney princess socks. Now, Dollar Tree has these socks, I believe, is it 10 or 5? 6 pairs for $5. Honey, we say that's a steal deal like Holyfield around here. So they don't only just have the Sunset Glow, they also have the tan over here. This is really nice. Those appear to be the 2 colors that they have when it comes to the bronzer. Absolutely love this. But this next item, honey, please don't fall to your knees, okay? None of that. Now, you looking for name brands? Dollar Tree said, listen, we in a place to be. The 2-pack eyebrow repair set from Brookstone for $1.25. Salon grade. Where you gonna get this from, okay? $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, another item that I absolutely love is this toenail clipper they have over here. I love the design. You see, this is really, really cool. It gives me eco, okay? Now, this is wheat straw made with consumer recycled materials. This is $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is just out here showing out. 4-piece manicure set, $1.25 as well. New deals, new stuff, okay? The deal trills for real. The amazing item Dollar Tree has is the eyebrow razor, 3 pieces for $1.25. Absolutely amazing. Now, this is definitely a deal. The LA Colors, the black, the eyeliner, brow. You get 2 of these and the sharpener for $1. This mascara is so good. Oh my goodness, $1.25. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the eye marker from LA Colors. This appear to be new for $1.25 as well. Now, if you guys have not seen these, this is the LA Colors, the liquid makeup Dollar Tree has. This appear to be new to me, $1.25. I had showed you guys this a few days ago. They also had this right here. This is the blendable concealer from LA Colors, $1.25 as well. And they have, let me see. It appears they have one color, and this is new. But when it comes to this, they have multiple colors. Like they have the beige, the natural, and I think that's pretty much it. Remember I said that I'm going to be giving you the still deal trills like Holyfield. Okay, I'm going to have you out here, okay? All right, but make sure you have a notebook or something to write these items down. Because if you come to Dollar Tree, you may go over budget. Dollar Tree has these Snyder's of hand over the 6-count lunch pack pretzels. These are $1.25. Really, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Sunny D fruit punch 3-pack juices for $1.50. Honey, if you on a budget, okay, and if you drink stuff like that, maybe that's up your alley. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the triple cheese potato shreds. 2 cups for $1.25. Absolutely love this. Now, this decor over here, so fancy pantsy. It's giving like a jar, right? This has the initials on here. This is so lovely. They have the B. Honey, is this a J? Okay, another B. Oh, chill. Dollar Tree is out here doing it. They also have the D. Okay, come through with the D. Do remember that Dollar Tree right now has the Christmas items out, like the foam scatters, the snowboard decor. They also have the pom-pom trims over here, 3 yards, $1.25. The mini bowls they have over here, really, really cool. And then they also have the tinsel stems that comes in about 4 different colors, the red, the gold, the green, and the silver. $1.50. $1.50, honey. And just in case if you guys have not seen the shower travel kits, these are so amazing. They have the little the sponge, they have the 2 travel bottles, and the 1 toothbrush cover. This is $1.25. Now, they come in different designs, different colors. They have the clear, also, look at the yellow with the airplanes. Honey, puts me in a mind of their song by rapper B.O.B. Airplanes. They also have the orange ones over here, and then also the blue. I absolutely love the blue with the palm trees. Really, really cool. I see hand sanitizer cases with no hand sanitizer, okay? So I guess one person or a few people say, you know what, this gives me one person did this, okay? They say, I'm going to take all the hand sanitizers, never mind the cases. Dollar Tree still have these cases, though, just in case. You know, you may still have the hand sanitizer. Maybe it was you who took all the hand sanitizer. I don't know. But these are $1.25, and they come in 2 different colors. They have the orange and also the red. Another cool item that Dollar Tree has is this 7-day pill organizer that is $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the orange, the purple, and also the green like a chicken wing. $1.25. All right, family, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was those concealers, the not the blendable, those concealers, the gold ones, the gold top, honey. Can't think of them right now. Right? $1.25. That's a steal deal. Like, holy Phil. Let me know, let us know, what are you guys going to be on the lookout for when you get to Dollar Tree, or what are some of the fancy mancy items that you had purchased this week? We would love to know. With that being said, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.